Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Long from Wish Dragon. So let's get started. To draw this cute wish dragon, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here. I'm going to start with a curve that goes up and come right back down. And then I'm going to cut it off right here with a curve. So let's do the same thing. Come to the other side, just pretty close next to it, and say about right here. We're going to do the same thing. And then let's come inside, and right on this edge from the bottom, we're just going to go ahead and draw a big curve, part of an oval. And I'll just give it a little highlight right here and shade it all in. So same thing right here. There. So we have the eyes in. Now let's come to the top right here, right in the center, and I'll just give myself a point right in between. And from there, I'm going to draw a curve that comes right over the eye and out. Right over the eye and out. Let's say about that much. Now a little bit more. Then from there, I'm going to come right here and start with a soft curve that kind of flares out a little bit more right next to the eyes. And bring this down just a little bit more past the eyes, and say about right there. I'm going to stop and I'm going to pop a curve out. So this is going to be the beginning of the nostrils. Pop a curve out. Then from here, now that we have this in here, let's continue. Imagine this is coming through. And about right here, I'm going to go ahead and connect it. So it's coming through. And about right there, I'll go ahead and connect it. So a little bit straighter right here, and then connect. And I'll come back in here. Just bring this in a little bit more, and I'll put in a little dot right here. And here as well. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's continue. So imagine this is coming out, and about right here, go ahead and draw a big curve. Well, actually, you know what? Let's do this first. Sorry, let's come back to this little corner right here, and we're going to come out. So we're having long here with a big smile. So come out, and then connect once again, just like the top, and up. There. And then if you like, you can draw the teeth. So just make it really thin. I'm going to come right here and draw two little points. Come over, two little points for the teeth, for the fangs, and then just very lightly continue. And then one more layer. Okay, so here we go. Come down. And then we're going to bring this down right here. So same thing here. And now we can go ahead and connect and finish off his chin area and up. There, finally done. So many layers, right? And then at the bottom, since I'm here, I'm just gonna go ahead and draw a little beard right here, a little curve right at the bottom. So then now let's come back up. And so we have this area right here in the center. I'm gonna come down with a straight line. And from here, I'm going to draw two curves, two zigzags, and then just go ahead and finish it off for his brow. So two zigzags, and then go ahead and connect. There, finally coming together. Okay, so then let's come up here above his brow, and we're going to draw a big curve that comes out for his antlers. I'm calling them antlers. Maybe they're horns, right? I don't really remember what you should call these. So just two big curves, and then smaller one right here at the bottom. And then let's draw on the side. He has some the main area. So right here, we draw a curve, and then another one. And tuck it right back in. So same thing here. Shorter one, And then another one right here, all right into his area right here. From there, we're going to draw the main part of the mane. So I'm going to come straight up, nice and high. I'll just say right here. I'm just going to give myself a point tentatively. And from here, I'm going to start in this area. I'm going to go up, and I want to bring it all back up to here. So we're creating this zigzag, and sometimes you make it a little bit bigger. It really doesn't matter. You just want to bring it all the way up back to here. So if it's easier for you to draw downwards, you can do that too. But we want to bring it back to about this area right here. Just keep that in mind, and we're angling it as we come down. So zigzag, and one big one that comes in there. Make this side a little bit too wide. Okay, so sometimes you can bring in some details. Okay, so then from there, oops, let's draw his hands. So on this side right here, let's come out about right here. And I'm going to draw two curves. Gets a little bit wider. And about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and stop and draw a thumb. And then right here, come out and draw fingers, and then just go ahead and connect it. And I'll just add another one right here and just put it in for indication of other fingers, just to simplify. And then the other one will stick about right here. So it's come right here where his mane is. Give it a little curve right there. And thumb, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then bring it in. And then right here, actually I went a little too high. Go ahead and connect it. There. Just come in here real quick and erase that part. Now that we have the hands in, let's go ahead. Oh, I almost forgot the whiskers, right? So come right here, and I'll just tuck in a whisker right here. And thicken it up. And same thing on this side. There. And now for his amazing very bendy body. Let's come up here. So we're going to make it about the width of his head. So let's come about right here and here. So just want to make sure it's at least the width of his head. And now we're going to start to bend it. So let's come up. And I'm just going to go back and forth. So we want about that thickness. So I'm going to work on the inside first. Just come out. And I want it kind of past the hand. So let's come out about right here. Come down. It's all up to you what shape you want, so don't worry too much. And I'm just gonna start to go around so that I don't have to hit anything and overlap. So come down, and about right here, we're gonna angle it back up. And oh yeah, I guess we do have to go through this hand. So let's come up. And then, so create this, and then about right here, I'm gonna go out and in. There. Just like the image. So then right here, just gonna round it off, and we're gonna start to thicken it up. So about right there, we draw a curve, and then another curve, since it's bending a lot. And it's going to be thinner here, but we're going to start to get thicker. So just keep that in mind. As we pass this area, we'll get a lot thicker. So let's start, go to the corner, and come back up. And in this area, as you come down here, if you like, you can just kind of do some zigzags here and there, just so indication that it's furry. And then go ahead and connect it. And then let's draw the inside. So right here, we're going to draw the center. I'm just going to taper off this curve and just taper it in. And then right here, just going to draw some zigzags as well and taper it in. And then right here, we're going to come here. So show the belly area. And we're just going to follow. And as we come down, we're going to get thinner and thinner until we taper it in. So right here. And connect. So definitely turn your body as you need it. So then the tail right here, before I forget. And connect. Draw some details right here. Some curves, and I think that's pretty much it, right? Hopefully I didn't forget anything. And when you're coloring, Long has some spots here, and I'll make one of them a heart so that I can make it my Draw So Cute Long from the Wish Dragon. I really hope you love how this dragon turned out and that made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.